Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to delete all emails on Gmail application. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Gmail application. After that, log into your account from where you want to delete all your mails. And once you land on your inbox page, here in order to delete email, you can either select a single email and delete that, or else you can also select all your emails and delete them. Now, in order to delete the single email, tap upon any of that specific email that you would like to delete and hold on that profile icon. Here it will get selected. In order to delete that, tap on the trash icon from the menu bar at the top of this interface. Once you tap on there, this email will get deleted. Now, in order to delete all of these emails, tap on the select all option that you will get to see at the upper left corner. And once you have select them all, again tap on that trash icon, then all your emails will get deleted. So that's how you delete all your emails on Gmail application. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you